Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinko Foodies. Today we are going to make cashew cookies. These soft and buttery cookies are made with only 3 ingredients. Simple, healthy, easy to make, these cookies are perfect as a mini snack. And the best part is you can easily make them vegan and gluten-free. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll add 1.5 cups of lightly roasted cashews to a blender or food processor and blend them until they turn smooth and creamy. This process takes some time, so pause in between, scrape down the sides whenever needed, and continue blending until the cashews start releasing the oil and you get a creamy cashew butter like this. Now add 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup or agave if you are vegan. And give it a good blend until it's well combined. Transfer this mixture into a bowl. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour or any gluten-free flour you like. Using your hands, give it a good mix. Then add about 2 tablespoons of water to make a soft cookie dough. Our cookie dough is ready. Take a small portion of the dough. Shape it into a cookie and place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan. Shape more cookies in the same way. Now top the cookies with some chopped cashews. Place a few chunks on each cookie and press them in lightly. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. The time may vary depending on the thickness of the cookies. If you are using oat flour instead of whole wheat, it might take less time, around 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cookies are nicely baked, let them cool completely. I love these cashew cookies. They are simple, healthy, wholesome, and make for a perfect snack for my chai time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried cashew cookies, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.